So we all know Google Ads can be a gold mine, right? But if your ad copy isn't hitting the mark, you're pretty much just throwing money away. Today, I'm going to chat about how to write ad copy that actually gets people to click more and, importantly, convert. And don't worry, I'm keeping it super simple, no crazy marketing jargons. First things first, before you even type a single word, think about who you're talking to. What are their problems? What keeps them up at night? For example, if you sell comfy office chairs, your audience probably has back pain from their old crummy chair. They're looking for relief, comfort, and maybe even better posture. So instead of just saying, buy our chair, you might say, tired of back pain. Our ergonomic chairs offer all day comfort. See the difference? It's all about speaking to their needs, not just listing features. This one's huge. A lot of people falling into the trap of just listing features. Our product has XYZ. But people don't buy features, they buy benefits. What does that feature do for them? Let's stick with the chair example. A feature is adjustable lumbar support. A benefit is say goodbye to lower back stiffness. Another example, our software has a reporting dashboard. This is a feature. Compared to the benefit that can be get crystal clear insights to boost your sales fast. Always translate those dry features into exciting benefits. It's about how your product or service makes their life better. Okay, you've grabbed their attention. You've shown them how you can help. Now, what do you want them to do? This is where your call to action or CTA comes in. Don't be shy. Make it super clear. Instead of click here, which is pretty generic, try something like get your free code today, shop now and save, or download your guide. And sometimes adding a bit of urgency can help as well, but don't overdo it. Things like limited stock or offer ends soon can nudge people, but only if it's genuinely true. The main thing is to tell them exactly what step to take next. And finally, this is probably the most important piece of advice. Don't expect to get it perfect on the first try. Google Ads is all about testing. Write a few different versions of your ad copy, try different headlines, different descriptions, different call to actions. Run them simultaneously and see which ones perform best. Google gives you all the data. It's like a mini experiment. You learn what resonates with your audience and then you double down on what works. It's an ongoing process and that's perfectly normal. So, there you have it. Understand your audience, focus on benefits, have a clear call to action, and always test. Keep these simple points in mind, and you'll be well on your way to writing Google Ads copy that brings in those conversions. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.